everybody, this is Ms. Hurst, and wow, we finally made it to our last week of school. It is sweet. I'm very happy this year's over. It's been a lot of work. It feels like more than usual and less at the same time, but it definitely was stressful there near the end. So I'm happy that we're at the end of the school year, and I'd like to show you how I end out my Schoology courses so that I don't lose all the things that I've made. So the first thing I'm going to do is just go to one of my classes. So here is my honors geometry course that I'm going to go to, and I'm going to repeat this process with each one of my courses. So you can see there's my header to end the year. You know, I had to make it a little bit funny. But all I'm going to do is scroll down here, my landing page is materials. If it's not, you need to click materials. And I'm going to click options, and I'm just going to hit save course to resources. All this is going to do is it's going to give me a copy of everything that I created. And so in this case, I'm going to be able to go through and click on my home, or I already made folders for each school year. So in this case, I click that 2019-2020, and I have folders in there that are going to show up, and I just hit submit, and it would save. Now, once you've done that, it's going to undertake this entire process, which is rather large. So I'm going to show you what it looks like here. So when I go to 2019-2020 school year, you'll see here's my courses. So here's my honors geometry course that I saved. This is everything that was there when I saved it. During the school year, I'll occasionally save things, which is why you see this quarantine materials, curriculum folder, things like that, because I saved it from a group I was in. One of the things you can do here is you can share these materials with another person, or you can send them to another group or item. And it's just really helpful for keeping everything together so you don't lose anything. So again, all you do is you go to your course, pick a different course, click options, hit save course to resources, and pick your location that you're going to save that course to. I hope this helps, guys, and I hope you have an amazing summer. Bye-bye.